Greetings, this is Sean, and today I am going to be making the ovens, two of the ovens anyway, that are going to go into the kitchen. These are the built-in ovens. These are actually the large ovens. This is what they're going to look like. This is actually one of the completed ones. I haven't finished painting the other one, but it's the same shape here. But you'll notice in a video I'm about to play after the introduction, where the ones that are in the actual Glastonbury Abbey that this kitchen is based on, they don't look like this, but I'm taking some creative liberty with this, just because this is a lot easier for me to do, and it'll look better, and it actually fits the story a little bit better. The story says that the room is not square, it's 8-sided because of the ovens that are in the corners. Well, this is having this here, which you'll see in the video, that it doesn't have this part coming down. It kind of just goes up and then like this across. So anyway, you'll see that here. I've got the same video I played in another video of mine from Richard Bobes, the Bald Explorer, and he shows a close-up of one of the ovens that's in the Glastonbury Abbey kitchen. So anyway, I probably won't be doing much narration in this because there's really not much to narrate. It's a lot of painting and whatnot, but where there's relevant places for me to say something, I will chime in. Otherwise, you'll just be hearing music in the background and the pop-up notes that I have from time to time. So anyway, sit back, relax, enjoy, and if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much, and have a better day, as I always say. The interior was not square because of 4 ovens, one in each corner, with the flues inset into the stone so the smoke could escape. 2 of the ovens were tall enough that Leah or Soa could stand within and sweep away the ashes. The other 2 were smaller for baking. Chapter 4, Pasqua's Kitchen.
Play with this for hours.
Oh, yeah.
Recorder.
Oh, you were looking at the pots just now?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at those pots.
These, it looks like a genuine spoon, but it may have been made to look like that. I have no idea. Look at it.
I know.
Funky.
It's lovely and carved, and I love the things that they're hanging on, these sort of almost saw-like things, presumably to cut the meat.
Yeah.
Hanging on these hooks.
Big ratchet things. Like
Yeah,
those.
and then there's another, if I just put the camera through here, there's another little chimney here that goes up, which obviously is the chimney, so that the smoke from this fire, which is here, which has just got some artificial lighting in to give it that impression, but
It's quite funny, there's no grate or anything, it's just bundles
it's just in the corner, yeah, that's amazing.
Thank you.